Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can make one page in landscape options. So now we have in A4 format the both pages, but if you want one page in different style, you can also do that. So I will show you how to do that. Now go into the page where you want that page is in the landscape format. So I will click right here at the beginning. So right here, as you can see. Now, right here, we will go to the insert and more breaks. Then we want to go to manual break, click on it, and new small window will appear. Right here, we will choose page style to the landscape, right? So, and I will hit OK. And as you can see, we have now one page in landscape format. So this is pretty useful if you have something more to write or some bigger picture that you need to include. It come in handy that you turn this page around into the landscape. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.